Want to streamline your dropshipping business? Let's dive into DSM tool. Links to DSM tool and helpful resources are below. DSM tool, short for Dropshipping Management Tool, automates and simplifies dropshipping. It seamlessly integrates with eBay, Shopify, and Facebook Marketplace, perfect for scaling your business. Its standout feature? Product listing automation. Quickly import products from AliExpress, Walmart, Amazon, and others. DSM tool optimizes titles, descriptions, and pricing, creating high-converting listings effortlessly. This saves massive time, especially for large inventories. DSM tool excels at price and stock monitoring. It constantly scans your supplier's inventory, ensuring accurate listings and pricing. This prevents selling out-of-stock items and maximizes profits. Automatic repricing keeps you competitive while maintaining healthy margins. Order management is also automated. Customer orders are automatically forwarded to suppliers. Real-time tracking updates sync directly with your store, boosting customer satisfaction. DSM tool also provides profitability analytics, tracking sales, expenses, and profits. Identify winning products and refine your strategies. Beginners can access tutorials and resources for setup and maximizing the tool's potential. While initially overwhelming, DSM tool's interface becomes a powerful asset for automating and scaling your dropshipping business. DSM tool is a fantastic choice for dropshipping entrepreneurs seeking a comprehensive automation solution. Manage listings, monitor inventory, and streamline orders effortlessly. Its integrations, analytics, and time-saving features are invaluable for scaling your e-commerce business. Check the links below to explore DSM tool and see if it's right for your dropshipping goals. This review should help you decide if DSM tool is the perfect platform for your business.